Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Ryo from Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm making Japanese chicken tenderloin skewers, one of the most popular variations for yakitori. You know, chicken tenderloin is super popular here in Japan, especially among the athletes or people on a diet because of its low fatness. You know, to make it is super easy and the taste is super yummy. So why don't you try making it at your home? Alright, let's get started! Alright, the ingredients for chicken tenderloin skewers are only one: chicken tenderloin. And of course you need the skewers, bamboo skewers. But in this method, I don't cut the chicken into small pieces, so you can make it even if you don't have any skewers. In this method, I optionally use sesame leaves, but it's optional, so if you make it without it, it will be okay. And the seasoning is salt alone, nothing else. Sounds easy, doesn't it? We have 4 steps to make the chicken tenderloin skewers. Step 1 is to soak the skewers into water. It's gonna prevent the skewers to get burnt when you pan fry the chicken. Step 2 is to prepare the tenders. Remove the tendon, cut them in half and add some salt on both sides. Plus you need to prepare the sesame leaves. Just wash it, remove this excess water and cut off the stem. Step 3 is to skewer the chicken and wrap it with sesame leaves. Step 4, the last step, is to pan fry it in a frying pan for about 4 minutes in medium heat. That's it! Why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is to soak the bamboo skewers in water, like this. It's gonna prevent the bamboo skewers to get burnt when you pan fry the chicken. Alright, it's time to go to step 2. Step 2 is to prepare the chicken tenderloin and sesame leaves. I know several people remove this tendon with fork, but I'm not good at it, so I use knife. Cut the both side of tendon, make a cut for both sides, and turn it over. Right, make a cut both sides of the tendon, and then you use the back of the knife to remove tendon. Okay, it worked. Like this. Okay, this is beautiful. How about the last one? Make a cut on both sides. Make a first cut here, and then you use the back of the knife. Yeah, it worked. So, why don't you cut it in half? Like this. Yeah. Then add some salt. Okay, add some salt. On both sides. This is the only seasoning. Step it aside for a few minutes. Why don't we prepare the sesame leaves? We need 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 right. When you wash it, remove excess water with paper towel. Cut off the stem. Excess water with paper towel. Do the same thing to the other 3. Yeah. This is big. So, 3 sesame leaves. Cut off the stems. Wrap it with the paper towel and remove the excess water. Here, these 2 pairs set aside. Alright, why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to skewer the chicken tenders with this. The skewers are ready. So tail to head like this. Well, looks great. This one is the biggest one. Right, great. Looks nice. Alright, this is a small one. This is fat one. This is a long one. Long. Snake is long. 7 miles. The bluebirds is calling you. Okay, this is the end. Okay, why don't we wrap it with scissor leaves? You know, face side up. This is face side, you know, gleaner. This is the back side, right? Like this. These two are big. Why don't you use it for the bigger one? Like this. This is fat. Okay. This is big. Again. So, yeah. Why don't you do the same to the other 3? This one is the most small leaf, so why don't you use it for the smallest chicken tender? Okay, this is big, so why don't you use it for the fat one? Yeah, this is gonna be the last one. Yeah, they looks cute, isn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 4? Okay, now it's time to go to step 4. Step 4 is to pan fry the chicken tenderloins. When the pan is heated, pour some vegetable oil in. Okay, then place the chicken tenders like this. Okay. Put it into medium heat with the lid on. It's gonna be about 4 minutes while you pan fry it. Sometimes you flip over the chicken. Okay, now it's about 2 minutes has passed. Why don't you check the okay, great, looks great. Heat is too hot, so flip it over. It's awesome. Okay, why don't we pan fry it for another 2 minutes or something like that. Okay, another 2 minutes has passed. Okay, looks great, isn't it? Alright, now it's time to play the homemade chicken tenderloin skewers. Looks cute, isn't it? The taste is super yummy, so why don't you eat it? Alright, now the chicken tenderloin skewers are ready. Okay, thanks for watching. Now you know to make a Japanese style chicken tenderloin skewers, variations for yakitori is super easy and the taste is super yummy, so why don't you try making it at your home? Alright. If you like this video, please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave some messages down below. Thanks for watching. Take good care. See you in the next video. Arigato. Bye bye.